together, like a stereo viewer. We put these two together.
Total sound.
Every day, every night, all the time. Every day I need an ounce and a half. SP, the only flow that you know, with a bounce and a half. Listen kid, I need a mountain of cash so I can roll up, hop in the whip and like bounce to the ab. I get high cause I'm in the hood, the guns is around. They take a blunt just to ease the pain and humble me now. And I'd rather roll something up, cause if I'm sober dog,
Today the big day. I've been here 4 years, 11 months, and 29 hot ones. One more day, and I'm a free man walking. Leaving from behind these gates, I paid my debt to the state. And ever since they took the weights, wasn't much for a nigga to do but start thinking. Wishing I was back home drinking every weekend. Remember like it's yesterday, 18 and Donovan. I can't remember the letters, I just wrote a lot of them. Going for a ride that I cannot stop.